Mayeni, until now, she is refusing to accept her husband Musamseleku's situation that he is a polygamist. Mayeni doesn't want to accept Makwela Musamseleku's fifth wife. Sometimes she can have a fight with Macele or Makumalo. How Mayeni she can accept Mpumelelo situation that her son he is like his father Musamseleku to be a polygamist. Mayeni to accept Mpumelo's girlfriends to be her daughter-in-laws, especially on this situation. That's why you saw Musamseleku and Mpumelelo. They didn't bother themselves to introduce Amahle to her. They know that if Mayeni she is ready, she can tell them that I want to see my daughter-in-law. Because when they start to introduce Amahle, they can get embarrassed. Mayeni can embarrass them anytime because she doesn't want to support the polygamist about Mpumelelo. And people on social media, they can talk many things. Why Mayeni accept Amahle as Mpumelo's second wife or first wife, but Mayeni doesn't want to accept Makwela. That's the challenge. Mayeni doesn't want to tell people the truth that how can I accept Amahle, but I'm refusing to accept Makwela as Msamseleku's fifth wife. But if Mayeni she accept Makwela as Msamseleku's fifth wife, it was very easy to accept Mpumelo's girlfriends, Amahle and other girls who are coming as their daughter-in-law. That's the challenge because Mayeni doesn't support the polygamist, especially she grew up to a family they don't support the polygamy. But her father and her mother, they have to sit down with Mayeni and explain that maybe the families are different. Maybe her mother was married to a man who doesn't want to have polygamy. But Musamseleku want to have polygamy, but it's different. Mayeni until now, even you look at her, Mayeni doesn't want Musamseleku's wives, all of them. Mayeni, she doesn't want to support Musamseleku when it comes to polygamy. What about her son? And Mayeni, the challenge is that yes, son Mpumelelo want to have polygamy a lot, and he have got dramas with his girlfriends, and his girlfriends they will end up complaining to Mayeni. That's the burden to Mayeni. But Ugogo Flo was better because when Musamseleku got married to those different wives, Gogo Flo was passed away. But Mayeni is a burden because if Mpumelelo got married to 3 wives or 4 wives, all of them, when Mpumelelo he is wrong, they are going to complain to Mayeni. Mayeni is carrying now Mpumelelo's, you know, that Mpumelo's mistakes. Last time Vuyokas was complaining about Mayeni, what you know, that if Mpumelelo was wrong, so the problem again is Mayeni. People, they will end up blaming Mayeni. That's why Mayeni doesn't want to be involved. Musamseleku and Musamseleku was the one who took Vuyokazi in Cape Town and say you have to stay with this woman because you have a child. But Mpumelelo doesn't want Vuyokazi. That's the challenge. And Mayeni was supposed to take care of Vuyokazi. Musamseleku was not there. That's why Mayeni doesn't want to be involved on Mpumelo's affairs because tomorrow it's her problem. People on social media, they are calling Mayeni with names that Mayeni, she is heartless. Mayeni, she is what and what you see. So that's why she doesn't want to be involved on Mpumelo's issues because tomorrow it's her problem. Mayeni was the one who is spending time with Vuyokazi. Mpumelelo, he have got kids with different women. Those kids, they will end up going to Mayeni because Mayeni is her grandmother. Guys, Mayeni doesn't want to take care of kids because she can count that she have got 3 kids. But Mpumelelo now, maybe he had got 4 kids. Now Mpumelelo, sometimes they can visit Mayeni, those kids. Mayeni have to cook for those kids because it's her grandkids. Guys, it's a burden to Mayeni what I saw because Guys, now is Mpumelelo. Mnini is coming again.